Welcome to xhosapredictors. As usual, I'm Dr. Klaas. This is my show. Again, in my studio, I have Dr. Maqolo, the soccer analyst. So today, as we know, the season is closed now. We're going to talk about who's going to be the player of the season, the top goal scorer, the coach of the season, the player's player of the season. Can you predict based on that?
Thank you very much, Mr. Klaas, for having me. The top goal scorer is already clear because the season is already closed. Mabasa for Orlando Pirates is the one who is the top goal scorer. I think now we're going for player of the season, coach of the season. If you could go to players player, I think i-ambulance isethembisa ethutha zonke izigulane uMaswanganye. I think we deserve a players player of the season. And then when we go to a player of the season, I think Ronnie Williams, he deserves it because we saw what he has done to Bafana. He took Bafana, he captained Bafana to semi-finals.
Yes.
He took Bafana to third place. He took he saved Bafana for saving 3 penalties. He took Sundowns to semi-finals of Champions League. He took Sundowns to the DStv Champions League. So we can't even debate it. It's for Ronnie Williams. Goalkeeper of the season again is clear. It's going to Ronnie Williams. The young player of the season. Wow, I'm proud to say this young boy Relebohile Mofokeng is the one who surprised. It don't surprise me because the first time they promote him, one of the videos I said this boy is going somewhere, and I don't think he will finish 3 or 4 seasons at Paris. He's going to Europe. We saw him last season going to the trials of Wolves in England. Even now you hear about 4 European teams they want him. Bayern Leverkusen, RB Leipzig, RB Red Bull, is in Scotland Rangers. Again, Wolves are also knocking the door for him, but we'll see what is going to happen. So I will say he is a young player of the season for me because he done a lot. Even the caps, the assists, the goals that he scored for Pirates. He's surprised because, on a youngster, we always, when he is promoted, wait for 2 to 3 seasons for him to show up, and maybe we end up even the team loaning him so that he can gain experience. But Pirates didn't loan him because they saw what he is capable of, and even us, he don't keep us waiting. He just gel with the team immediately. So I give it to him.
In that note, thank you very much. I appreciate for your thoughts based on the player of the season. Thank you very much. See you next time.